Taira, you decide what you're going to do for the summer? And please don't tell me you want to go visit your cousin overseas because I don't have no money right now.
No worry yourself, Mommy. Look up online and see several options right here in Jamaica. You want to see?
Oh, okay, sure. Show me.
Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibes. I may not care who I fight, I know I criticize, I'm on the higher heights.
If you're looking for an arts-based summer program, look no further than the Institute of Jamaica's Junior Center.
It is a visual and performing arts program, and included in that are activities that will not just develop the skills in the youngsters in terms of visual and performing arts, but certainly the entire person. There are programs to deal with life skills, activities that deal with life skills, mental wellness. So some of the activities are like the regular speech and drama, art and craft, music, dancing, paper making. There is what we call kitchen fixing, which is an culinary skills. So they learn to prepare some Jamaican dishes. And, just exciting, fun. It's summer, so it is fun, fun, fun.
So if you're between the ages of 6 and 18 years old and interested in the arts, mixed with life skills such as conflict resolution and teamwork, then be sure to sign up for the IOJ's Junior Center Summer Program. It runs from July 7 to 31, and get this, if you have 3 or more children attending the summer program, you'll pay a discounted rate. The center has 2 locations, East Street in Kingston and Greater Portmore in St. Catherine. They can be reached at 922-062026 in Kingston or 989-7509 in Greater Portmore. Here is another option, a summer program steeped in culture. That's right, the University of Technology's Center for the Arts has re-entered the summer scene with its workshop aptly titled Heritage in Young Hands.
It will be a diverse packaging of activities for our campus, 7 to 12 years old. We will ensure that our campus are exposed to the stories of the drum, for example, which is such an important element of our intangible cultural heritage here in Jamaica. We also will expose our campus to traditional dance forms. We'll ensure that our campus are also exposed to the exciting trends that are developing in the visual arts, specifically animation. So we're going to be asking our campus to develop their personal histories, their personal stories, and be able to tell that through animation.
Another feature of the summer camp, heritage excursions. Campers will get a chance to visit and learn the national and international value of some of Jamaica's historical sites. There's also theatre arts.
Through poetry and drama, we're going to be exposing our campus to how they can tell the history of their country, of their communities, in a new and exciting way, and really to challenge them to be able to get on stage and to express themselves.
So from July 7 to 31, between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m., 7 to 12-year-old campers will get solid doses of fun from UTEC's Center for the Arts. Need more information? Call 322-0345.
We encourage parents to kickstart their summer fun for their children at the public library nearest you, where children can enjoy a fun-filled summer experience in a safe and comfortable, caring environment where learning and fun are intertwined as a holistic experience for their children.
You've got that right. The Jamaica Library Service has been providing 6 to 14-year-olds with opportunities to learn Spanish, sign language, get computer training, and become better readers. After all, it's a library summer camp.
The summer program begins on the 7th of July to the 25th of July. And this year we will be focusing on celebrating the World Cup as well, and we will infuse in our summer program activities lots of World Cup activities, among other things. We will be featuring art and craft programs, music, dance, drama, and a host of other activities.
And guess what?
The summer program is free of cost.
So,
we encourage members of the library and members of the public to visit the library nearest to them, where they will get additional information on the summer program.
If your child is more into sport, then the YMCA should be your choice. 5 to 14-year-olds can get involved in swimming, karate, badminton, and other sporting activities. And get this.
Our summer program, it runs for 8 weeks, and we start at 9 to 4:30. Parents get until 6:30 for pickup to make it more convenient for them.
What's more,
we have dance, we have drama, we have a speech, and we have music in terms of singing.
We're also having field trips to various interesting places such as Castleton Gardens as well, and we will also be having computer classes.
We have games, sing-along, excursions, we have speakers coming in to talk on different topics such as road safety.
The art and craft for the kids, it is geared towards having them learn about art skills, craft skills, which they wouldn't normally get in school.
although the YMCA summer camp caters to 5 to 14-year-olds, if you're over the age, there's still a place for you at the Y.
We do invite volunteers to come and work with us. If you want a work experience and a fabulous summer, great experience, you can come along. You should send your children. They will learn a lot and they will learn to volunteer and give of themselves.
For further information on the YMCA's summer camp, call 754-9034.
Interesting. I wonder if we can find anything for your brother.
If none of the arts, sports, or culture-based programs is to your liking, how about a work and play experience in media and communication?
The MTI summer camp just for teens is back this year. It's for teenagers 13 to 18 years, and we concentrate on voice and TV production. So for 4 weeks, teenagers will be introduced to the tenets of voice and speech. You know, how to present in class, how to speak well, how to pronounce your words, and also for the production side, you get to learn how to light a set, how to write scripts, and how to use the camera. Now, this summer camp is way different from the regular summer classes. You know, you don't want to, you just come out of class and your parents gonna send you back to the regular classroom setting where you learn the math and the English. This is different. This is ideal for persons who want to be the next Paul and Porter Jones, who want to be the next Adrian Atkinson, or the next Miss Kitty. Also for persons who are just shy and want to make new friends and learn something new.
It's a 4-week program starting July 7, so be sure to call the Media Technology Institute at 922-9214, extension 242.
Wow, Taira. You know, all of these things they're showing me, they're interesting, but bigger question is which one you're going to choose.
Oh, it's my